What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have more E46 content in store for you. Now this is our E46 Drift Day for 2022. We have all four E46s out here. We have Andy and his 330, and then my twin 330 is back there. And this is Rhett's 330. This is his very first event, and then this is my 330. So my car and Andy's car are exactly the same car, same tires, same color, even same interior. And then we have Tyler's 325. He street drove that thing out here today. The key is with drifting is to have the same exact cars as your friends, so that way you can go out on track and have the best tandems in the best time possible. And that's what we're gonna do today. Before we go out, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up. But right now, we're gonna check over these tires and get out on track. Well, a little update on the 330s. We've just done 4 laps, and I must say the biggest change we made from last event to this event with the E46 is running 17-inch tires in the back. Last event in our 330s, we ran 18-inch tires in the back. However, it makes the gearing too long. What that does is it kind of bogs your engine down, and these cars don't have a whole lot of horsepower. So we switched to 17s, and man, oh man, it is so much better this event. For this track, Cam's Acres, the 17s allow the gearing to be in the perfect power band zone, so that way you're not bogging it. You can run second gear the entire track and actually be able to drift the entire thing super smoothly and super well, which makes for good tandem. Well, we've made it out here for the evening session at Cam's Acres. E46s are doing fantastic. We're having a little issue with our tires actually chunking because there's a lot of either gravel on the track or they're getting super hot. So our little trick out here is to take about 2 laps, come in with our tire sprayers and spray off our rear tires. That way they'll last a lot longer. When these drift tires get super hot, they just fall apart super fast. So keep them cool. We'll do about 2 to 4 laps. This is a long layout, so we'll do about 2 laps, come in and spray them down. That way we'll cool them off and they'll last a lot longer because they're not cheap anymore. Well, I will say we definitely got our money out of those tires. So ladies and gentlemen, that is gonna wrap up our E46 Drift Day here at Cam's Acres. E46 consensus for the day. We've been testing and tuning these cars to get them to be able to tandem very well with each other. And I'm gonna say today, I'm very proud to announce that we got these E46 330s to be able to tandem so well. We burned one set of 235, 40, 17 Accelera tires. We did about 35 laps, and I'm gonna say, absolute blast, 10 out of 10 fun. So this track is actually for sale. This is Cam's Acres racing site here in Oklahoma. It is kind of out in the middle of the country. It comes with a full-fledged house and the entire drift track. They're asking like $1.6 million. This could potentially be the last time we ever drift at this track, which is kind of sad to think about. So we're taking it in for a second. If it sells to somebody who doesn't want to keep it as a drift track, who wants to do something else with it, we might not ever see it again, which is really sad. It's only been up for about a year. They built it about a year ago, ran into some trouble, have to sell it. So kind of sad to see that. However, one last go around, it was a blast. Alright everybody, I'm gonna make an E46 drift car setup video here soon. If you want to see that, make sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see a drift car setup for an E46, because I think we just figured it out. Super fun, super budget. Go with all the boys, have a good time. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys next video.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation.